Hello and welcome to the first VMK in the puzzle series. In this VMK, I'll introduce you guys to a interesting puzzle that I received for Christmas, and I found it interesting because when I opened it up, it seemed like a relatively simple puzzle to solve. However, as I started playing with it, I realized that there's many different combinations, and it would actually make a very good candidate for a program that we could write. So here's the puzzle that I received. It's called One Tough Puzzle, and the idea is you have 9 pieces. On the back here there's a little picture of what we're trying to do. We basically want to generate a 3x3 grid with all the pieces interlocking. Now the solution that's shown here is not the actual solution to the puzzle, it's just to represent how we want to interlock everything together. So when we're finished we should have, it says here, 6 interlocking pieces extending beyond the borders of the puzzle and 6 interlocking pieces that are pointing inward, and there should be no holes in the middle of the puzzle. So let's take a look at the pieces. These pieces, they have hearts, spades, diamonds, and clubs on them, and they're sort of somewhat random, but there is a solution to this in the sense that you can put them together in such a way that you will form a 3x3 grid. So for instance, I can put this in there, and let's find one with a club. Here's a club. So there, I just generated a row of 3, and then you would want to go and do the next row or whatever. Again, I'm not going to show you the true solution here unless I magically get it on the first try, which I highly doubt that will happen. So here we go, here's another row, and well, you can see here that if I'm trying to generate a row here, I cannot put this here or this here, and this doesn't fit here or here. So I know there's something wrong here, and then I would have to figure out some way of joining these up. So there's a heart here, well there's a heart here, so I could do this, and then by looking here I can see I have a diamond and a club. Well, is there such a piece? Is there a piece that has a diamond and a club? Well, here's a diamond, but that's not a club. And well, it doesn't look like I have one, so there must be something wrong in this configuration already. So this is the puzzle. Here are the 9 individual pieces. There's this one here which has a diamond on the inside, a heart on the inside, a spade and a diamond on the outside. This one has spades on the outside, club and a heart. This one here has a diamond, a spade, a heart and a spade. This one has a diamond, and then a club and a club. Here we have club, club, heart, diamond. Here we have heart, spade, spade, club. Then we have a heart, heart, diamond, diamond. And we have a heart, diamond, spade, spade. And finally the last piece is a heart, heart, spade, and club. So those are the 9 pieces. See if you guys can create a program that will figure out the solution to this puzzle, basically figuring out which way these pieces need to go together to generate that 3x3 grid that can interlock. And once it's completed correctly, you should have something where you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pointing outside, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pointing on the inside, and everything's interlocked. There is no space in the middle. If you get stuck and you can't come up with an algorithm that can solve this in C++, come back for the next VMK where I'll show you the solution that I came up with.